Okay, welcome back. It's long after the market close on Tuesday. So I tell you what, I did not trade today. Here's today's 2-minute chart on the S&P, the SPY ETF. I didn't trade today. Why? Why didn't I trade today? Because we have NVIDIA's earnings tomorrow after the close. And one of my rules, of course, is not to trade around big earnings announcements of companies that really move the market. Okay, so here you see it. This is from a video from way back when. My DSRs, my daily survival rules. Control your emotions. That's number one. Don't revenge trade. Be patient. Wait for your setups. Don't overtrade. Don't trade on FOMC days or days of huge news events. And then six, don't trade a stock on earnings day. These are linked. 5 and 6 are linked. What's a huge news event? Well, a huge news event these days is when a $3 trillion publicly traded company is going to report earnings. All right, and that would be NVIDIA. Tomorrow, after the market close, NVIDIA is going to report earnings for the fiscal quarter ending April 2025. Analyst forecasts are for earnings of 80 cents. Now we'll see what happens. But as you can see, there was no real volatility. Look at the volume down here all day long. Nothing really happened until the end as far as volume. You had the beginning and then you had this. Now for the strategy I was trading, been trading, is the 9 EMA strategy. Here's the 9 EMA, two green candles above, I go long and buy calls, two red candles below, I go short and buy puts. And as you could see, if you play this out, the first 30 minutes, I don't do anything. I let this slop and chop, play out. And then I start looking. So we had two green candles here and right there. This red candle closing below, I would have been out. So I would have had a little bit there. Here's another two green candles and then out there. Two red candles and then out here. Two green candles and out here. Two green candles and then out here. Here's two green candles and I don't know what the hell this mess is here. These are probably bullshit uh, bullshit candles here. These lower wicks. So there was really nothing going on, and that's why I don't trade on big news days or even leading up to big news days. I just wanted to stay out of this. So that's why I may not take trades tomorrow, too, because NVIDIA is not going to report until after the market closes. So really, tomorrow is really not a trading day either. Now, what kind of trader are you, right? Um, if you look at my video, do you have the character of successful day traders? Here's 15 questions you should ask yourself. If you go on to my channel, and by the way, if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. Give me a like, share it, comment, um, and review some of my earlier videos. If you are looking to become a trader, either a day trader, a swing trader, or both, you really need to watch this video and look at the 15 questions I ask. Right now, one of them, are you patient? One of the questions, are you a patient person? Right? There's over 240 trading days in a year. The FOMC really meets once a month, and then Powell comes out, or whoever the Fed chairman is, will come out and speak. And the market's going to go up and down, up and down. It's going to move violently. If you think you know how to predict what the hell the Fed chairman is going to say, then you're a lot better than I am. But I don't. So I don't trade on FOMC day. It's just 12 days out of over 240 trading days. The same thing with big news events. And it's been difficult lately because the big news events around lately has been surrounding one word. The big T word, you know what it is. It's tariffs. If someone burps the word tariffs, the market goes into a conniption fit. It could either go up quickly or down quickly. And if you're on the wrong side of that trade, you're getting your shorts blowtorched. So you have to be careful these days. You have to really have your stop loss order ready quickly. Um, but the other thing is, on big news days, I want to stay away. And NVDA is, like I said, it's a $3 trillion company and market cap, and they're announcing earnings. You don't think that a company like that can move the entire market? Well, we'll see. But this is why I stayed out today. Just no volume. And plus, we're coming off a 3 day holiday, Memorial Day. So the big fancy pants traders with the deep pockets, they weren't back to work. You think they were going to come back to work and start trading the day before NVIDIA announces? No, why would they? They're enjoying their beach houses in the Hamptons. They might not be back till next week, right? So there was no point in trading today, and there's no point in trading tomorrow, as far as I'm concerned. Hey, if I miss a big win, I miss a big win. I have 240 other days to trade. But I was talking about patience. I got sidetracked. I was talking about patience. That's one of the questions I ask in the 15 questions you should ask yourself if you want to become a day trader. Do you have patience, or you got to get in there? You got to start clicking the mouse. You got to start clicking that buy tab, that sell tab. You got to have action. You got to have action. You know what you are? You're a gambler. You're not a trader. You know, Louis Rookheiser said, and I don't know if he made this up or if somebody else told him, but he said if you treat the market like a casino, you will get casino odds. I don't know about you, but when I take part in day trading options or day trading futures, uh, I'm not I'm not entering this like it's a casino. I'm not here to place a bet. I'm here to place an educated guess. And I'm either going to be right or I'm going to be wrong. And if I'm wrong, I'm getting out fast. All right. So in this video, I'm going to link to that video, my previous video that asked, should you become a day trader? And I hope you watch it. Have a pen and paper ready to answer those 15 questions. Look at my rules and decide for yourself whether you like my rules or not. Whether you do or not, you better have some rules for yourself and stick to them before you put some of your hard-earned money into this. All right, this is Uncle Pete. Um, I'll see you tomorrow morning. We'll see what the market looks like tomorrow. I'm probably not going to trade, but I'll take a peek, and maybe I'll go over this strategy on some individual stocks and back test it in a video, and see how it would have worked the last 40 some odd trades with some individual stocks, maybe like Amazon and NVIDIA and Tesla and Palantir and Meta. We'll see. if I'm going to do that. So I will see you tomorrow. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, hit the notification bell. I usually come out with a video every day, live trading. Well, not live trading, but trading, and then I share my trades at the end of the video. All right, I'll see you tomorrow.